Welcome back. You're watching No Reservations, and I had the pleasure of having Sahir Lodhi with me in the house. I want to continue talking to him a little bit because it's so nice to see someone being honest about himself, about his personal life, and I think it's so important that we get to see people behind the image. You know, because very often we believe the persona that people, that celebrities like to put forward, not realizing there's a human being behind the huge persona.
Actually, seriously, I'm never a celebrity. I'm always a human being. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि जब लोग मुझे
नहीं, लेकिन ये तो आपके दिमाग में ना, but when people see you, as far as people's perspective is concerned, they are looking at you as a celebrity.
Great coffee though.
You're very welcome.
Seriously.
I made it specially.
Right.
I'm lying.
Right.
Okay. I want to go back to your relationship with your wife. Now, apparently you've also, and I have to ask you this, because it is No Reservations, and I know it's been a difficult time, and I'm sorry to bring it up, but you're not entirely blameless in this. Apparently, you've been quite a bad boy as well.
Okay.
Agreed?
Not really.
Okay, because the rumor out there, according to my dirt machine, is Sahir Lodhi is a complete playboy. He's been playing around, he's been out, we've gotten names, I'm not going to take the names because it's not fair on the ladies, but he's been playing around, and that is why he's in the state he's in.
Absolutely
Lessons learned from the past.
And what state do I am in?
Well, apparently, you can tell me that.
No, absolutely not.
Lessons learned, if there's one lesson you've learned?
Nothing. Not to trust anyone.
Do you trust others easily?
That's one thing that I've done throughout my life, and I'm not going to change that. Honestly, I'm not going to change that. Yes, I do trust others easily. I'm not going to change that. Reason, for the very simple reason is that dunya mein not everyone is bad. Not everything is bad. ठीक है. Things go haywire, things go bad. But then at the same time, you always bounce back and you get what you deserve. Honestly, I mean, if things I've lost in life, I've gained so much. I've gained so much, so I must be doing something right.
So when you hear people saying hurtful stuff, like I just said, you know, this is what people are saying. How do you respond to that? How
Nothing.
Do you
They're just rumors. That's it. It's
okay.
Kya bolenge aap? I never go to any parties, and I've never drank in my life. I've never smoked in my life.
But doesn't that have a sort of
it's media.
a ripple effect in your personal life?
Never. See, when someone calls me, a girl or a bacha calls me, and she goes, "Kiji, oh Sahir Lodhi, I'm in love with you," and fala. You know, what do I tell them?
But that's not something you take, you know, seriously. I mean,
No. But people do trust me. Here in the media, people do. But to me, I think my response is always, I'm trying to tell them, कि नहीं कोई बात नहीं बेटा, फला हो जाएगा, वला हो जाएगा. So I never pay attention to what people are saying about me. They say so many things about me that it's just unbelievable.
Now that's a mask you're putting up, and I know this.
No, that's not that.
Okay, well, let me put my question another way then. And I know this firsthand because it's very easy to say, you know what, I'm not going to let it bother me, and you do. You just develop a thick skin because you have to, because that's the only way you can deal with things. But every now and then, something will pierce through that thick skin that goes, man, that hurt. And that was not fair.
Yes.
What is the one thing that has hurt you the most recently?
What's the one thing that has hurt me the most recently? Honestly, I can expect anything of life, anything out of life anymore.
तो अभी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता?
नहीं पड़ता. Literally, Aisha, नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't hurt anymore. What's going to hurt? No, I don't think it's deed. I think that's the only way I can survive. That's the only way. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to. Every single day when you hear someone telling you that you look like Shah Rukh Khan, or you try to act like Shah Rukh Khan, or you try to do this, and you're making ends meet. You're trying
or
to...
playboy, whatever the accusations.
Playboy का तो आपसे सुना मैंने, बाकी किसी से नहीं सुना.
अच्छा, वो dirt machine पे आ गई थी.
आपकी dirt machine is really dirty.
Very dirty.
Honestly,
you
very
have
dirty.
No idea.
And very misinformed.
I mean, when we say we have a website, that's very nice, but it's putting you at a distance. So are you the kind of person who keeps everyone at a distance?
No, it's not about that, Aisha. I think the problem is that I just don't get time. I work about 19-20 hours a day. So where do I get time to sit on Twitter or Facebook? Plus, I hate fake IDs now.
But Sahir, you're never going to be 33 again. I mean, you live life. You got to sort of get out there.
I'm living life. You don't know. See, my perception of life. No, honestly, my perception of life is different.
Okay.
What I do is what I love.
Okay.
What I love is what I do.
All right.
That's what my passion is.
Do you ever take your mask off and just relax?
I am relaxed.
No. Okay, you're relaxed. Do you ever take your mask off?
I just don't understand.
Are you ever just Sahir? Not
yes.
the TV guy, not the radio guy, not the web guy, just Sahir who can be a slob if he wants, who can sit with his feet up if he wants and not sort of...
Then you have to come to my house and see my room.
So you do take time to just chill out?
Of course. I do. It's Sundays are normally very off days.
Okay.
जब भी मुझे काम नहीं करना होता. But then That's the only day that I find time.
Okay.
वो भी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है because I'm a workaholic. I seriously am a workaholic. I go home at 2:30 in the morning and I start my day around 5:45 again.
Wow.
So I really don't get time, and I honestly sometimes I think that I don't know what I'm rushing for.
What are you rushing for?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I just think that I don't have time. That's what I think. I honestly feel.
What does Sahil Lodhi want to do? I've heard that Sahil Lodhi बड़ा politician बनना चाह रहा है. He wants to go out and change the world and change Pakistan.
I want to change Pakistan. Okay. I want to change people.
Which is a good thing.
Which is a good thing. And change is not necessarily bad. But at the same time, not in politics. No.
Okay. Now, your radio show has done really well. In fact, your radio show has sort of, the ratings, mashallah, really, really high. TV, you're getting there. I mean, you're getting there as far as television is concerned. Do you find there's a huge difference for you, and has it helped? Has your TV helped your radio? Has radio helped TV?
I think TV has actually helped my radio.
Okay.
Because now you see me. First, I mean, there are radio shows and there are radio anchors who are actually either better than me or equally good.
Right.
But people don't know them because of they don't appear on screen. So I think TV has actually helped. Okay. TV has tremendously helped my radio career. But radio is my prime passion. I mean, you take out radio from me, that's one thing that if you take that away from me, I think I'll be dead. Radio is something that I say that even if I'm dead, on my deathbed, you could just whisper that I have to do a show.
Yes.
And I would get up and I would just do the radio. Because radio is just my life.
Okay.
Radio is everything to me.
All right. It is. It's good fun. Of course, it's live, so, you know, it helps a lot of stuff. Acha, ye batao, the one host that you have loved having on your, one guest you've loved having on your show.
Oh God, there are so many. There are so many. Don't do this to me. But there are so many.
No reservations. There has to be just one who really sort of topped the scale.
Honestly, Ubaidullah Baig Saab.
Okay. Why?
It's one person because I've admired him throughout life.
All right. Okay.
I mean, he is one guy.
And isn't it exciting when you finally meet someone who you've always looked up to and have them in your
Omar
studio?
Sharif, for that matter.
Okay.
When Omar Bhai came, I laid red carpet with my own hands. Unko bola aap is pe chale, because I have admired him. I have loved the guy so much. Moin Saab, when he came on my show.
Yes.
And you know, these are the people.
I'd love to have Moin Saab on the show.
Oh God, he's amazing, unbelievable man. And so is Omar Bhai. मैं तो साफ कहता हूँ, मैं तो Omar Bhai की रोटी खाता हूँ, मैं उनका रिस्क खाता हूँ. Because when I do my radio, there's a segment called Studio Time, and when I imitate characters and all, the whole timing is actually I got from Omar Bhai. I got inspired from Omar Sharif.
Okay.
So मैं तो उनका बहुत I'm just an avid fan, an ardent fan of Omar Sharif. When he came on the show,
basically he's been like a role model to you.
Not a role model.
Okay.
Not a role model. Ubaidullah Baig Saab is my role model.
Okay.
Baig Saab is someone that I've followed.
All right.
There's one guy that I always wanted to be on my show was Dildar Parvez Bhatti Saab, but he's no more. I really wish that there was a day and I could go back in time where I could actually touch him and tell him that, sir, you have just mastered the art of comparing. Seriously.
Excellent. Now I'm going to ask you this question, and the reason why I ask you this because it's good fun. Okay. The one guest you've kind of gone after the show went, oh my God, that was such a boring guest to have. Why do we call him on the show? Who's responsible? Must be someone.
Never.
Sahir, you're being a diplomat, and that's so not right. It says no reservations, has to be one person.
You want me to tell you?
Of course I do.
Honestly?
Yes.
Honestly, you want me to tell you?
Yes.
Nah. I still have to call her again. So I can't.
All right. Sahir Lodhi plays the diplomat, and now it's time for the second guest on the show. She is a fabulous, gorgeous young lady. Who is she? She's coming up after the break. Stay with us. You're watching No Reservations with Aisha Alam Khan and Sahil Lodhi in the house.